Hers is smaller than mine. It's not fair.
Throw them the numbers. When they say, just throw them a number. Yeah, just throw it. And then,
Give me your dance.
why do you have a big bottle like
Ow, I hit my thigh.
Okay.
It smells like a spoon.
This one smells normal, okay?
Ow!
What's your number?
Hi, I'm Jennifer. And this is, well, we're not fighting anymore.
So we're just Janessa.
It's mental.
Just pretend it's Friday.
See, did you see her face?
Okay. Whatever.
She's
Throw
at-
me a number.
She's at my house.
Yeah.
Get the number! I'll open it for you.
Make sure it's in your gross.
6.
Number
Number
6.
6.
What is this? Are you guys supposed to get number 2?
No.
Ew, it's small.
Ew, what is that? Oh my god, what if it's one of the fruits?
I'm gonna be laughing at you. I don't care! It looks rotten.
You know you're scaring me, right?
Where am I gonna throw up on the floor?
Unthinking.
I wish you threw up. I'm not even gonna say it.
Ew, it smells horrible.
It's a horrible tasting corn.
I'm a horrible recorder. Yummy corn. I cut myself.
Just leave it like
It
that.
would taste nasty when it's cold, so.
Oh my god.
It really does. She has to eat everything?
Yeah. No, only one spoonful. Get the juices.
If I can get the freaking lid off,
You should
I'm
eat
gonna get the freaking juice.
corn.
They're just
That is so weird. What is on my finger?
eat the goddamn corn!
The juice though.
It tastes nasty.
Oh. That's not good.
I love corn.
I want to eat
Of corn. Of corn. It has to have the taste of corn. I'm gonna laugh if it's of course. But I love it. Can you not open your mouth when you're eating it and be like, oh, it's watery too.
Everything's wrong with me. I'm like a coffee after drink.
At least it's coffee.
No, coffee mixed with corn.
Coffee corn.
Coffee corn.
That's nasty.
Don't tell me you got
Water.
Water in a can. You got string beans. That's funny. Ew, string beans, they used to, remember?
Oh, that's green beans. Oh, I can't watch this.
Your voice is
At least it's hey, no.
She got a big spoonful of corn.
Hey, corn was better.
Corn was actually kind of good. Having
Karma.
Oh
Oh.
my god. What?
It's like hanging out of your mouth.
You can spit it out.
Yeah, you can spit it out. You don't have to eat it.
Now you tell me.
Never.
I hate corn. It looks like a,
I wish we had number 5.
you can have drinks now.
Oh, it's an open.
Watch.
That means it's fruit or something. It's fruit.
Ah!
I call leftovers.
I have to eat it. Ooh,
This isn't mine yet.
somebody has to get 4. That's the only fruit one.
How do you know it's fruit?
Because it has the pop opens.
Yeah, all pump.
All up in her face.
Watch it taste bad.
Well, that's what we get for going, bah.
Wait.
They're really good.
I hope it's 4.
Hey, I took it 4.
Yeah.
Just eat it.
If it's a bad fruit, I'm sorry, but it's fruit.
It's like papaya or something.
Ew, I hate papaya. Ew, it's so
It's the mixed one. Oh wait, oh this is nasty.
Just get the cherries.
I don't like the dole.
No.
You can do that.
No.
You
no.
can't do that.
Vanessa. Vanessa.
You have to get the grape.
No. Has to be a no.
Yes, you can do that.
Fair. That's everything. That's not even a two. I've been playing fair. That's why I should play fair.
Okay, there. Happy? Is that fine? Is that even?
Oh, don't you have to like swallow it in order to get the point?
Yeah, is that even?
I don't know.
Just eat it.
Hurry, eat.
Ugh, it smells like chili or something. Or maybe it's all
How confused they're catching them and I can't.
You just caught it. I think my bottom lip is chapped.
Number 2.
I hope it's mushrooms.
I hope it's dog
I think
food.
it's mushrooms.
Did you get anything gross? I know I did too. I didn't.
That was easily. I don't think that's mushrooms.
The mushrooms farted.
Just say Isabella is the one holding the camera and then there's David right there. Is it mushrooms? Is it bad mushrooms? I don't remember what I bought.
Oh, if it's, I feel bad. If this is bad.
I'll open number 3. Yeah, so let's catch the paper.
That was really short. Is that even 6? Dang.
Wait, I can't get the thing out.
Yum. Mm. Who has to eat the mushrooms? Oh God, Jennifer, your battery's dying.
Ew, what is this? This smells bad. Like, this actually does smell.
Oh God.
Ew, why is it white?
What is that?
It's pink. Well, don't forget, you have to eat those too. Why are you eating Vanessa's?
I'm eating number 3.
You guys were both supposed to eat number 3.
Oh no, I'm eating number 2. I'm sorry.
Those were Jennifer's. I mean, wait, it was yours?
Hey, at least I got something delightful. It's beans. I didn't get mushrooms.
Oh, don't be crying when you're farting. I feel bad. Okay, so we'll be farting all
I
night.
want to eat this.
Just do it. Just do it.
Oh, it's leaking.
She's
Oh yeah, Juka Juice. Remember you made her Juka Juice?
I didn't do that. I never made her get the juice.
You just like watching people suffer. don't you? High five.
Eat it. Gosh, you don't get the point.
I
If you
know.
take another nibble, you have to eat the whole can.
A what? Nibble.
Oh, I'm not eating this.
Vanessa
Oh my
wins.
Sorry, because I got the good one.
Okay, oh, my hand hurt.
I saw it. So I'm gonna
The
do
corn
that.
had a weird aftertaste. Here, consider this peaches.
I was eating the peaches.
Did I stop recording? I'm like, when, yeah?
You're making a mess, and I cleaned this floor. I hope you're gonna clean